Let's take a look at an example in the editor. In this program, we're going to use these methods to update a string that will print all the names of the members in the band BTS. Here I have a string with the members of BTS. You can see that new line characters are being used to print these values, each on a separate line, even though they're all saved in one string variable. Let's print the variable to the console. It looks good, but I know that there are actually 7 members in BTS and only 6 are here. It looks like Jin is missing. All of the vocal singers are supposed to be listed first and then the rappers. Jin is in the vocals group, so he should actually be listed as number 4. I know that I can't alter just one part of a string, so to make this change, let's separate each item into a list first. To do this, I'll use the split method. And let's split at the new line characters. So let's make BTS be equal to BTS.split at the new line character. Let's print it now to see what we've got. Okay, so I want the item at index 4 to be Jin. So I'll use the insert method to do this. I'll write BTS.insert at index 4. I want it to say for Jin. Now let's run it. Okay, now I have Jin in the list, but I need to update the numbers for the rest of the band members. So let's do that. BTS at 5 is actually now going to be 5. BTS at 6 is the 6th member. BTS at 7 is J-Hope. Let's run that. Okay, now instead of having them all saved in a list, I want to go back to one string variable. So I'll use the join method. And since I want them each on their own line, I'll use the new line character. So BTS equals new line character dot join the BTS list. Now let's see how that looks. Awesome. Now it's your turn to complete some Tracy exercises.